Okay guys, make una see you. This one na Lekki phase 2 Lagos. All those people wey dey say I wan go stay for Lekki, I wan be big boy, I wan join them. Yeah, see wetin dey face. So see.
Every time rain falls in Lagos, the internet is always filled with the same type of videos. Cars submerged, homes flooded, and roads very impassable. And almost immediately, this same question begins to trend. Is Lagos still a safe place to invest in real estate? Some persons even take a route of mocking those living in flood-prone areas on Lagos Island by saying,
I live in Lekki, Oga, forget Range Rover, now to go buy correct.
If you've been thinking about buying a land in Lagos or building a home or even investing in Lagos, this video is for you. Because while flood videos are real, they don't tell the whole story. In this video, we'll be separating emotions from facts, myths from reality, and helping you make smarter property decisions, not fearful ones. So stay with me until the end of this video. I remain Patrick, your realtor. Welcome to this space. If this is your first time seeing our content, like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Help us in our mission of getting 5,000 subscribers by December of 2026. Help us in this journey. You can also turn your notification button so that every time we drop a new content on this channel, you'll be the first to see our videos. Let's answer the big question. Is Lagos becoming too risky for property investment? Point 1. Lagos is flooding, but that is not the full story. Every rainy season reminds us that Lagos faces serious flood challenges. But here is something many people overlook. Flooding does not affect every part of Lagos equally. Some communities experience severe flooding almost every year. Others remain largely unaffected because of better planning, improved drainage, higher elevation, or ongoing infrastructural upgrades. The lesson isn't that all of Lagos is bad. The lesson is that location matters even more than before. One street can flood while others just a few minutes away stay dry. This is why smart investors don't just judge an entire city by a few viral videos. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is inspecting property only on sunny days. Everything looks beautiful. Clean roads, freshly cut grass, neat surroundings, but rain tells a different story. Every rainfall exposes poor drainages. It reveals blocked canals. It shows where water naturally settles. It exposes roads that become inaccessible. In many ways, rainy season is the best time to inspect a property because nature reveals to you information no broker can provide. Many buyers focus on the purchase price. They celebrate buying cheap lands, but they forget to calculate the hidden cost. Imagine spending millions to buy land, then spending even more raising foundation, improving drainages, repairing flood damage, replacing furniture, or constantly maintaining the property. Sometimes the cheapest property becomes the most expensive investment you would ever make. Value is not just about the price you pay today, it's about the cost you'll carry for years. Flooding isn't only about rainfall, it is also about infrastructure, good drainage system, road network, clean channels, urban planning, government projects, responsible estate development. When evaluating an estate, don't just ask how beautiful is this estate. Ask what infrastructure supports this location. A beautiful gate cannot compensate poor drainages. Before committing to any property, experienced investors ask questions like, has this area experienced flooding before? Where does rainwater naturally flow? What drainage infrastructure exists? What road improvements are planned? What is the elevation of the land? Have neighboring development experienced recurring flood situations? Can I visit during or after heavy rainfall? Those questions can protect your investment far more than chasing discounts. So, is Lagos becoming too risky for property investors? Not necessarily. The greater risk is not investing in Lagos at all. The greater risk is investing without proper research. Every city has strengths and challenges. The investors who succeed are not those who avoid cities altogether. They are the ones who understand the locations, ask the right questions, and make informed decisions. Rain doesn't create problems. It often reveals problems that were already there. If you treat the rainy season as an opportunity to inspect rather than panic, you will make better investment decisions. Whether you are buying your first plot of land, your dream home, or your next investment property, let knowledge guide your decision, not fear. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, help us hit our 5,000 subscribers mark by December, and also share the video to someone who wants to buy a property in Lagos. Would flooding make you stop investing in Lagos, or will it make you invest more carefully? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Until we see again, stay safe, keep investing in safe real estate, and always stay peaceful.